Hello, hello, my fan, my follower. I'm Changadaya Yeki. I'm suffered big, strong spinal and rib injury from fighting bear. I was hunting bear and I'm fight.
Changadaya. Your kidneys are failing because of a genetic disease.
I fight bear.
No, you didn't.
I was fought bear.
You didn't. You didn't fight a bear,
I was
Changadaya.
hunting bear.
But we can help you. We can help you using
CRISPR. They can help Changadaya solve his genetic kidney issue using CRISPR. But what is CRISPR? Hello everyone, my name is Mloria Rorger, and on today's episode of my show, we're going to be talking about CRISPR. But I'm not going to bore you by blabbing about it on here. So why don't we cut back to our reporter with Changadaya?
What is this CRISPR?
Well, Changadaya, we're gonna show you an educational music video.
Yeah.
CRISPR, the most used tool for gene editing. Very precise, inexpensive, simple to construct. Mutation or cancellation, whichever will it be, will have all control over the human genome. Will change your whole gene pool for better or for worse, but enough about all that. So let's talk about how it works. Cas in a protein finds and binds to the PAM sequence, then comes guide RNA, unwinds part of the DNA and binds to a complementary strand because of its design-based pairs. Two nuclease domains cut right there. Cell tries to repair the gene, but it just gets cancelled out because of some mutations. That gene just went on vacation. That's a cancellation, but if you want mutation, then Cas9 binds to a new enzyme. Then that enzyme mutates the gene Cas9 is bound to. For example, when Cas9 is fused to deaminase cytidine to thymidine. By using this method, CRISPR can cancel out disease. But with power that comes with being able to change genes, people will use CRISPR for matters which are trivial. Parents might change their kids' genes to give them better visuals. Changing a child's genes, that's not remotely consensual. Social class differences will be in your genetic manual. Who has the money, has the genes to succeed. But if you think about it, it's just genetic plastic surgery. CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR-Cas9 is the future of gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR-Cas9, the ethical issues, they look pretty menacing. CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR-Cas9, but also CRISPR will be able to cure everything. CRISPR-Cas9, CRISPR-Cas9, the future of gene editing is CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9 will be able to change our whole gene pool, but it opens up Pandora's box, which is not very cool. Moral dilemma.
So, do you think you've learned anything from that CRISPR rap?
No.
Welcome back. If you didn't quite understand the rap, like our friend Changadaya, then that's okay, because we actually managed to get in touch with the rapper, and he's going to be doing a live interview with one of our reporters. So why don't we cut there?
Dr. Schnorpel, thank you for coming here today. You made an excellent rap about CRISPR-Cas9. Would you be willing to give more details to our knowledge-hungry viewers?
So the beginning of the song, where I talk about mutations and cancellations, what I'm saying is essentially those are the two things that CRISPR does. It either mutates a gene or cancels out a gene.
Tell me more.
The process is that Cas9, which is a protein, locates a common sequence within the DNA called the PAM. Now it binds to this sequence, and then the guide RNA or gRNA that is with the Cas9 unwinds the DNA and binds to a specific gene because of its base pairs. And this gRNA can be tailor-made. You can put any base pairs right onto that gRNA, and it'll find that within the DNA and bind to that specific gene. And then what Cas9 does is it's got these two nuclease domains that cut the gene, cut it right out.
What happens after that?
So essentially, the DNA has been cut, and the cell is trying to repair the cut DNA, so it puts in some stuff, but it doesn't work out. Oh, that sucks. Wow, what are we gonna do? Let's cancel out the gene. So the gene gets canceled out. Now, if you want to mutate genes, you fuse an enzyme onto Cas9, disable its scissors, so that when Cas9 is bound to the DNA, that enzyme mutates the base pairs. That's how you edit genes.
At this point, you rap about the ethical issues regarding CRISPR-Cas9, but it was fairly brief. Can you elaborate in more detail?
Though CRISPR can be used for good things, people may also use it for things that aren't so good, like genetically engineering their babies to be optimal citizens in the sense that they're attractive or intelligent and stuff like that. But do those babies have the ability to give consent? No, they don't. So should that be allowed? As well, CRISPR will require all sorts of new insurance policies because this is new technology. They may mess up your genes. This isn't, tried and tested yet. As well, if you think about it, social class differences will become genetic because only the people with the money will be able to buy CRISPR. So social class differences will no longer just be material things. It'll literally be in your DNA. So though CRISPR can be used for good, there's a whole Pandora's box of ethical issues that come with it. And we have to think about those.
Thank you, Dr. Schnorpel.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope that interview with Dr. Schnorpel was informative. And now that you're equipped with all this information, our live team is going to run an activity with you right now to test your knowledge. We hope you enjoy. Well, there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about CRISPR, how it works, its impact on genetics, and the complex ethical issues surrounding it. We hope you enjoyed. Oh, and Changadaya, best of luck with your CRISPR procedure. This is Mloria Rorger signing off.
Oh my. Golly, Changadaya, you're looking pretty good. Let's go take a look. Wow, you have sure taken a liking to CRISPR, huh?
Yeah, I'm like CRISPR friend. I am tell them, hello! Please, fixing my spine and my rib. And then I'm asking them, you'll do that. So I'm asking, give me good eye mustache. Give me good real mustache. Give me better eyes. And giving me big muscle to kick bear. Yeah.